In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete or edit your AI speech that you added on your video on Inshot. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now I have here a video and I added an AI speech. You can listen in.
A spider-like window crawler with nanofiber clean.
And that is the speech. You can hear it. And I'd like to go ahead and remove it. To remove it, it is quite simple. Just head over to this audio. And then from this, you can see the AI speech is here. I'll tap on that timeline. Once you tap on it, you have an option to either edit it if you use this edit option or delete it here. So if you want to delete, go ahead and tap on delete and it will remove it. However, if you want to edit it, just go ahead and tap on edit. And here you can add things like fade in duration and fade out duration to edit it. To remove it completely, just as we said, you can select it and then tap on delete. And then it will be deleted just like that. And once you are done, now you can tap on this OK and it will be done. So that's how you can remove your AI speech on your videos on Inshot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.